Hello, and welcome back to more of Monster Hunter Rise. Last time, what did I just do? Last time, anyway, we had most recently hunted down Almadron, and I feel like we did something else, but I'm forgetting what it is now. No, we didn't do anything after Almadron. Anyway, we have 2 more quests left for low rank, and then we get the high rank urgent quest to actually unlock all of high rank. Between the previous episode and this one, I have gone through and done all of the village quests, not including this one because that just catches you up. I don't know if I explained it last time, but the special license test here is for if you only have done the village quests. If you do the special license test, then after that you will be able to do something. It'll bring you up to a high rank in the hub without actually having to go through all of the hub quests. But we've been doing hub quests anyway, so it's not really an issue. But anyway, as you can see, just about all of these are done. I did all the expedition tours as well, even though it doesn't really say anything. We have 2 left of these for Tigrex and Diablos for the 6-star low rank quests. We are going to start with Tigrex because why not? Nope, that's not what I wanted. Over here. I have already hunted a Tigrex before, just because it was part of another quest that I was doing anyway. It was like Diablos. No, not Diablos. It was Tigrex and something else. I think it was Tigrex and Wolvedon that I had to hunt for one of the random quests that I had to do. I don't even remember. I just know I had to hunt one at some point. Tigrex and Rathalos, that's what it was. Alright, we have eaten. Did I ever empty out my inventory? I did. Still have my new charms as well for the power charm and the armor charm, so that's more attack and more defense for us, which is always good. And then we'll be able to get the power talent and armor talent, I think roughly like halfway through high rank. I remember what monster it is I need, at least.
A deafening roar, rolling over hill and dale. The weak flee in fear, but the strong prevail. On the snowy mountainside, white is drenched with red. When the ancient tyrant hunts, all are filled with dread.
Absolute power, Tigrex. So I believe I mentioned when we did the Tigrex hunt, the normal Tigrex hunt in World, is that in the older games, Tigrex was able to damage you, do an actual like attack with his roar. That wasn't really a thing with normal Tigrex in World. Like, he could still damage you with it, but it was negligible, really. We're gonna ignore that thing that's over to our right. And then we're just gonna run this way. You guys, y'all saw nothing. It's a fantastic monster that we'll be fighting in high rank, though. Granted, I've already fought it. But I haven't done a video for it yet. Now we'll do it. Oh, hello!
Here it comes!
How are you? And as you can see, I have taken health damage from him roaring. Oh, alright. Oh, alright. I guess you're going back the other way. If you recall, you can break Tigrex's head, his arms, his back, somehow, and you can cut off his tail. I missed. Oh, there's a dead frog shark thing over there. Hello, sir. face down, please. Fuck you. Ow. Come back. I need to break your arms. That is most beneficial to me. Come here. I need to heal. Oh, alright, that's fine. If you want to just go into that wall there, that's good. Alright, I didn't want to hit your head there, but I'll take what I can get, I guess. Got our special fish there. God damn it. Ow. Got it. Alright, we're good. Less good. At least I'm hitting him now.
Here it comes!
Nope. And nope, I missed. God damn it. Oh, alright, you got tired. God damn it. No, come back. Alright, well, I'll take this piece
Going
then.
after it!
Thank you. Dog, let's go. And I need a sharpen, apparently. I'm gonna take another wire bucket because why not?
Now's my chance!
If you can see on the map, on the bottom left, I've unlocked a couple of the sub-camps as well, just as I was doing other quests, just they became unlocked.
Here it comes!
Alright, we're good. Oh no. Where did the baggie come from?
Get ready!
Oh, damn it. And fuck.
No!
Was not paying attention to my health.
Now I'm really
Totally
angry.
fine.
Go!
Dog. We have a tiger wyvern thing to hunt. I don't really know what to call you. So we'll hunt Tigrex now, we'll go do Diablos, and then I have no idea what the opening quest for a high rank is. I remember... I actually remember 4 of the urgent quests that we do. 2 of them are rampages though. They're kind of unique rampages for high rank because they introduce special monsters, I guess. I'm not sure where I was going to go with that statement. God damn it. Come back here. I should have taken the dog. Oh, alright. That works. We're gonna go fucking grab a baggie, I guess. Because we are avoiding the other one. Like it's the plague. Is it really the plague? Oh, but it's close enough. There you are. Hello.
Learned your lesson?
Alright, you. If you could be so kind
This is gonna be
as
good!
to drop a part, apparently. Fine. There we go. Oh, I broke an arm. That works. I'm happy with that.
Okay, that's enough.
Alright. And then you're... No! Why are you here? Do you mind? I'm trying to kill a tiger. God damn it. Alright, well, he's leaving. Well, you got a teaser to that guy then. Break! Fuck you.
You're going down. This one's gonna hit hard.
Ow. I'm fine. Fuck, that's fine. Nope, stop it. No tail? Nope, tail. Oh, alright, you didn't care. Or I didn't care, I guess. Gimme, thank you. Alright, can I cut off your tail? I don't think I'm gonna break your back, unfortunately. Damn it. Well, at least I hit it. Okay. Oh, I'm good. That's good. There we go. No more tail for you. You should be close to dead, I hope. Ow. Not what I meant. Damn it. Heal. Thank you. We're fine. Mostly fine.
Mine now.
Damn it. I don't know why I tried to do that. I should have figured that wouldn't work. Oh, now you're ready to capture, huh? I feel like my cat's lying to me. Whack! Whack! Alright. Apparently if you're behind him, the roar doesn't hit. Alright.
Perfect job. Get ready.
Damn it. Are you leaving? You are leaving. Cool.
That's
Go to
why I
sleep.
chose you. It's getting weaker. Yay,
We are gonna take this tail, sharpen, or we'll get on the dog and then sharpen. Doggo! Off we go. You know, I've never noticed on Tigrex, even when he's not in rage, you can still see like his veins in his skin. Just that little red stripy pattern on his arms and on his face. I never noticed that before. Granted, I haven't spent a lot of time just up in his face until recently, so... You gonna go to sleep? No? Yes? Yes, thank you. Alright, so hopefully this kills you. Alright, sir. I think your head's your weak point. Do I know that for sure? No. There we go. Attack up with that. 1, 2, and die! Damn it! That was a dinky little hit. Die. Now die. No, now die. Fuck. Okay. Alright, well now he's dead. Thank you, Tigrex. Your contribution to my,
The perks of the job.
something is appreciated. Scale, scale, and... a claw. Alright, thank you, sir. We will go hunt you again now. And then we will do the next monster. And then high rank. I do recall that I've seen, well, at least for all the monsters in low rank, after we do Diablos, I will have seen all of the little opening cinematics for them. So for any monsters that I haven't done in low rank yet, I'll just do the cinematic thing, or play it for you after, or before I do the high rank quest for them, and then we'll go do the quest. Because I do like watching all of those. They are very nice. They're a nice touch to everything, really. There are a couple monsters that are high rank only, of course, there are. There's 3 that I can think of off the top of my head, not including Elder Dragons, of course. Thank you. We have unlocked a cutscene, because cutscenes are fun. Alright. One more hunt for Tigrex. If the loading screen ends. I don't know how many quests I'm going to do today, but we're going to do a couple. I'm planning to do, I think, 4 at least will get me enough videos to have stuff posted for the rest of this month. You're not who I wanted to talk to. Or for the rest of the next month, actually, now, since this month's almost over.
Which quest
And then I can worry about something else. No? There we go. A Friend in Need is what this quest is called, apparently.
I wish you luck.
I haven't bothered doing all of the 3-star hub quests yet, because I just haven't wanted to actually progress the story yet, until I'm ready to move on to high rank. So I'll do all of those, all the extra ones off recording eventually, but it's not a priority right now. Thank you for the food. Oh, I do have the Bulgur.
Back to work.
Is that the one I want? You're not gonna let me eat again right now, though. I'll have to take a look at that later. I think. Let me take a look at it now. Actually, where are my gestures at? Radio menu status for quests. Wave. Pose sets, I think? I don't even know what pose this would be in. No, it's not pose sets that I want. No. Chat menu? There it is. Show off 2. I think that's the one that I want. For the dango thing that I have. I think. It takes a good like 5 seconds for it to activate once I trigger it, but I think that's the one that I want. Did I not? Did I already empty this? I don't even remember. I wasn't paying attention. I may have also just not grabbed all the stuff that I needed. Hey, what map am I going to? I wasn't looking at that either. My Popo Posy is my best friend. She helps me every day and is the sweetest companion I've ever had. A Tigrex was spotted along my trade route, and you know what they do to Popo. Hunter, please fucking kill it. That's not what the rest of it said, but that's what we're gonna say it said. Oh, lava caverns. Oh, and you're giving me some flash bombs? I feel like there's something on the map that I can do with those flash bombs, just because you gave them to me. I do not know what it is I can do with them, though. Alright, off we go. Tigrex. You can see that I unlocked one of the sub-camps here. There's another sub-camp here as well. I don't remember what I have to do to unlock it, though. Here it is. A rock door. Oh, you know, we're gonna fucking go do that real quick then. I just gotta kill one more of the lava lizards. The lava leviathan. The rock door is kind of like has kind of got like a Jagras thing going on with it. Like there's the normal Jagras, then there's Great Jagras as the large monster. They have a large monster version too. It's not in this game though. At least not yet. I don't know if it'll be brought in with Sunbreak or not. But we'll have to wait and see. It'll be interesting to fight. It's another Leviathan. Obviously, since the Araktor are Leviathans themselves. Alright, and if I remember correctly, there should be some down to the left over here. Yep, there's one. Hello. Oh, there's another. God damn you. What? What the fuck? I can't go that way. God damn you. Y'all are gonna be difficult. Are you kidding me? I just gotta kill one of you. You mother. No. God damn it. I don't even know if these are the same ones. Come on. Give me one of you. Why? Why must you hate me? Are they gonna come back? No, are they over here now then? What kind of shit is this? They're not over here. Not that I can see at least. Cat, did you just pick up some poop? Give me the goddamn lava snake lizard things. They're not here. What the hell? Okay, well I know there's some more up here then. Provided they actually stay around. What's that? Nothing. I'm just seeing things. Provided these ones actually stay around long enough for me to kill. I gotta kill one. Is there any down there? There is some down there. Fuck you. Thank you.
That takes care of that.
Alright. No, go up. Go up. Alright then.
Go!
Alright, now we can go hunt the Tigrex.
No more bouncing for me.
Gonna sharpen this up real quick, because why not? Alright, now we'll track down Tigrex, go kill that, and then move on to the next final low rank quest. And gather another spirit bird. I feel like I need a new controller, because this one, not all the buttons on this one are working as well as they should be anymore. But that is something for me to worry about. Fucking this weekend or next weekend, I don't know yet. It depends how much gas is gonna cost me. Probably another arm and a leg. Tigrex, come back please. I need to murder you. See, I'm just stopping sprinting. Just for no reason. I can't hold this button down any harder than I already am. Greetings!
Here it comes!
Hello. Ow.
This is gonna hurt!
God damn it.
This one's gonna hit hard!
Nope. We're good.
Be careful!
Alright, well, at least I didn't get hurt there.
Here it
Oh, and
comes!
you're angry. Stop your yelling, damn it. Oh, alright. That works. Damn it. Oh, I should heal. Oh, thank you, cat. You healed me yourself. I appreciate it. Whack. Whack. Oh, I didn't get hit.
This is
Cool.
the end!
Nope. Hello. Oh, alright, you just jumped over for me! Fuck. We're fine.
Ready!
Totally fine. That's fine. Oh, alright. That's not the way I wanted to face. Hello. Ow. Oh, I'm fine. Ooh, fuck. That's fine. Heal. Heal, damn it. And probably heal again, just to be safe. Heal again. Hello. God damn you. Why must you jump over?
Be careful!
And out. And heal. Then heal again, and I have to sharpen as soon as I'm able to.
Perfect job, as usual.
There we go. Fuck you. Leave? Leaving. Dog. Dog.
I'm going after
Thank you.
it! This should fix it!
Alright. Alright, you're going up there. Cool. And up. And we're good. What is this? Lost?
What's
Monster
this?
fossil. I've unlocked all of the maps as well, or mostly unlocked all of them. I haven't fully explored everything just because I don't really have a reason to at the moment. I will at some point. I've explored some of them.
Anything useful in here?
At least a little bit I've explored all the maps, but not very much. I'm okay. Damn it. Was hoping I'd hit that. Greetings! Damn you. Alright, I think if it's just at the end of that, then I'll... If it's at the end of the 3 or 4 step charge it is now, then I think I'll still get hit by whatever attack it's doing. I thought I should have been hit by that. Alright. Damn you. Ow. We're angry! And I want to break your fucking arms so you can stop running around so much.
You're going down!
God damn you. Okay, we're fine. Oh, less fine. Well, I was fine. Now I'm not. Now I have to kill him. Fucking hell, man. Alright. There we go. God damn it. I'm good. No, damn it. Fuck you.
Here it comes!
And I'll whack. Oh, I get your tail. Oh, alright, that works. Whack. Fuck you.
Are you ready?
Nope. cut off your tail. I can try to, fuck, not do that. I can try to break your back, but it's probably not going to happen, so we're not going to bother. I'd have to do a lot of aerial attacks to actually break his back, and not exactly fucking feasible. Oh, I still hit that.
You ain't getting away.
Come here, you.
Yeah.
Alrighty, up we go.
And
I'm
we're
gonna sharpen real
bouncing for
quick
me.
as well. Rations! More rations! More rations. Thank you. Mandragora, take that as well, I guess, why not? Well, at least I hit you still. Damn it. Damn it. I'm fine, I'm fine. Die? No, probably not. Oh, alright. I guess you're rideable now. Well, there's not really a monster anywhere nearby that I care to actually ride instead of you, so we're just gonna fucking throw you into a couple walls, I suppose. Fuck you. Give me your tail.
Learned your lesson.
There we go.
Get ready.
And a whack.
This one's gonna hit hard.
Nope, done that. Ow.
Smash you to bits.
Oh, alright. I thought I would have been hit by that. I'll hit by that one. Yep. Fuck you. Are you capturable yet? Oh my lord. Apparently the answer is yes. Or at least I think that's what my cat said. My cat said something. I wasn't paying attention to it though. Damn it. Alright, I need to heal because I am dying. And then I need to heal again. There we go. I missed. I missed again. Alright. Damn it. Hi. Okay. Stay put, you fuck. Ow. I'm out of first aid med.
You're the best, buddy.
Die? Nope, no die. Now die. Never mind.
This is the end.
Hopefully it's the end. At least I hit you with that. Ow. Alright, well it was me fainting, so that's not as good. I can pick up more first aid meds now at least.
Now I'm really
So that's a
angry.
plus, I suppose. I guess I'll go carve the tail now as well, since he should be going to sleep. I believe if I just go straight up this little vine wall over here, that I can go into the mountain from here. And some more straight path to where he's at, or where he's going, I should say. Oh, and Anjanath is going over to the, to where Tigrex's tail is. Fantastic. Oh, I do have
This is
to
gonna
gather
be
hunting
easy.
helpers. Cool. Off we go. Alright, let's carve this tail and then we'll go hunt down Tigrex again.
Mine now.
I'm okay. Mostly. Alright. Did you go to sleep? I hope so. You're up here, right? Yeah. You're not asleep. Why are you not asleep? What decides when you go to sleep, huh? Fuck. That's not the way I want it to go. Alright.
Just a bit more.
I guess you're gonna run again. I'm gonna sharpen real quick and maybe you'll go to sleep now. Granted, even if you do go to sleep, Anjanath is there, so he'd probably just wake you up immediately, which is not what I want. Yoink. Thank you. Oh my god, you did go to sleep. Okay, cool. I guess Anjanath doesn't care about you. Oh, and Ange is leaving as well, too, so that's even better. Whack. Whack!
It's gonna hurt.
And... die! Fucking hell. Die! Alright, cool.
All done.
One day. I've done it so many times, so...
Yay, materials.
Alright. There's Tigrex fully hunted now. Twice. Well, actually, more than twice, because I've hunted it before, but twice in this video. And then after this, we are off to hunt Diablos. And we'll see how that goes, because I haven't actually hunted him yet at all. Is there anything here I can gather? Oh, there's another one of those hunting helpers I can pick up real quick. Yoink. Thank you.
Making progress.
Alright. Now we just have to see how the next hunt goes, and then we can start high rank. Alrighty, I didn't really get anything interesting. Does Tigrex have a great sword? He does have a great sword, that's right. I remember it now. It's a pretty good great sword. Maybe I'll make it. I don't know, let's go look. One request completed. Ah, right, because I did the subcamp opening thing.
Have a look at my wares.
There you go. Subcamp open.
Come back anytime.
And then Mr.
Good to see
Hamon.
you, Hunter.
Forge upgrade armor. Ah, right here. Tigrex armor. It looks bulkier than I remember the Tigrex armor in World being. But it still looks pretty nice. Yeah, oh, it has skills more for a hammer than it does for a something else.
Haste
For
makes
just
waste.
general attack.
Take all the time you need. My
Alright,
hammer's
greatsword.
ready.
How well is your? Oh, there's your greatsword right there. 150. You have a sliver of blue sharpness as well. Ooh. 150 and a little bit of blue sharpness. So where is Magnus blade at? There it is. 146 and a bunch of green. And I can't even upgrade it yet, so. 100. Is there anything I can upgrade to right
Some
now?
hunters literally
Anjanath
take
isn't really what I
hours.
want either.
I'm used to waiting.
150, 27. That's just very little green sharpness, though. I don't want that. I don't want this either. I apparently need another Acnosom crest to upgrade this blade. Icicle thing. That's only 120. That's a pretty significant cut in damage. 140, 90, 110. That's a lot of poison damage, though. I was just looking at that one. Barroth I was using before. 150 for the axe blade, but very little green sharpness. 170, but I can't even make that right now anyway. Ooh, and then this one, huh? 150 defense bonus. Defense bonus, yep. I don't think I really want to make this one either. Okay, so... You know, I feel like it's best to go with...
Let's get cracking.
What did I just upgrade to? Oh, I upgraded the, Oh, that's fine, I guess. Alright, well, this is the
Now
great
get
sword we're going to be
hunting.
using for now. It's just the upper jaw of a fucking Tigrex, pretty much.